Welcome back, YouTube, to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today is a really simple smoothie. It's a cherry vanilla smoothie, and I'm going to start bringing back smoothies to my channel, and I'm going to post them on Saturdays and Sundays, 1 or 2 a week. So in today's recipe, we got organic cherry vanilla yogurt, 2 containers, and we have organic almond milk, unsweetened. It's better to use almond milk because in the yogurt there's a lot of sugar. Alright, YouTube, so this container is 32 ounces. You want to use about 16 ounces. So pour about 16 ounces, which is 2 cups, into your blender. And then we'll add the yogurt. This is really a simple recipe, and it only takes 2 ingredients. YouTube, so we have that milk in there, and almond milk makes for a perfect smoothie or shake. So now we have that really creamy cherry vanilla. This all depends on your taste. So take 1 of these at least and throw it into your blender. If you like something sweet, then throw in the other container. But you can see how that is very, very quality in taste. Alright, YouTube, so we have that 1 container in. I like sweets, so we're going to put this other one in. If you wanted to, add more milk, but look at the quality of that yogurt. So yeah, the thing we're going to want to do now is put the lid on and just hit blend. If you want it, you could also add 2 cups of ice. Alright, YouTube, so we are ready. We're going to hit blend, and you don't have to do it long since there's no ice in here. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it. Look at the color of that. Perfect. Look at the inside, and that's how you make that cherry vanilla smoothie with almond milk. Alright, YouTube, so we're gonna put this into a mason jar. Alright, YouTube, so there you have it, your cherry vanilla smoothie. Very refreshing. Like I said, I'm going to be bringing 1 or 2 smoothies every week, and I should be posting them on Saturday and Sunday. So look for those days for smoothies or shakes. But you can't go wrong with this flavor, and the kids will love it. Alright, YouTube, so now I'm going to get the pleasure of tasting this. Man, that thing is good. Unsweetened almond milk and that cherry vanilla is a perfect combination. So now I get the chance of drinking both of these. So if you like smoothies and shakes and new ideas, please subscribe, tell your friends and family. And like I said, I'm going to be very active on this YouTube channel in the fall and winter. And I will be here 3 to 5 times a week and doing many YouTube shorts. So you be safe. Talk soon. Bye-bye.